Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Roar plus ink. Roar, ink. Twin plus T's. Twin T's. Roaring 20s. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our show. On my right, a young lady who has been playing like a champion, and she is a champ. She's our current champ with $9,755 in winnings. Her name is Terry Melton. Welcome back to you, and good luck today. As Terry pointed out on our last program, you do have a lot of fun when you are winning. And believe me, she's a tough player to defeat. But perhaps we have the giant killer in this young lady on my left. Her name is Antoinette King. Hello, Antoinette, and welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Really? What do you do?
Well, I'm a loan representative.
I see. So I could come to you to borrow money for a mortgage on my home?
Sure can.
Good. We'll talk after a while.
Thanks.
Right now, though, whoa, hello. Let's take a look at this. This is, I don't care what the prize is. I like the way it's packaged.
It's time to pamper yourself. So head for a sensational getaway on the warm and friendly beaches of St. Thomas. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at Point Pleasant Resort, the Virgin Islands Sanctuary of Beauty, in luxurious accommodations overlooking aquamarine waters that invite you to sail, swim, and snorkel. Pools and private beaches await, furnished by Point Pleasant Resort. Alex.
Fantastic holiday. St. Thomas on the board right here. Number 13, easy to remember, Antoinette. It's dead center, and you get to pick first.
Okay, I need to go to St. Thomas. Number 4.
Cordless iron. That's a far cry.
I travel a lot. I need that.
All righty.
Okay, number 14 for the match.
Green take, no match, so we'll go right to our champion, Terry.
I really want to go to St. Thomas, and I'm going to look for that trip under 17.
Dartboard set.
Oh, that's close. How about number 21?
Refrigerator freezer, no, Antoinette.
Okay, there's a lot of nice prizes. Number 7.
Wild card.
St. Thomas, number 13.
Number 13. Were there any doubts as to what Antoinette would select? The other Isle of St. Thomas, we won't have to look for it. It's right there at number 2. Let's open 3 panels for this young lady. Pick again.
Okay, let's try the corner, number 5.
Diamond and amethyst earrings.
Okay, that's my birthstone. Number 12 for the match.
Tennis server and rackets. No match. Terry.
Well, I either need a take or those diamonds would be nice. Number 1?
Camping package.
Oh, I love to camp. How about number 6?
Cordless iron. Antoinette.
Okay, the cordless iron is number 4.
Right.
And the match is number 6.
Right. She's making her presence felt. Let's see what happens now as we open 2 panels.
Okay.
You're not too happy with what you're seeing, I know. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's at the bottom, number 24.
Tennis server and rackets.
Okay, the match to that was number 12.
Tennis server and rackets. Yes. I get the feeling this young lady has been practicing at home. Antoinette has been working out, and it's paying off. Open the doors. Pick again.
Okay, let's see number 15.
Dartboard set.
And the match to the dartboard set, I know it's number 21.
Nope, that's the refrigerator freezer. Terry?
How about number 17
Right.
and number 15?
There is the match for the dartboard set. It's not a fabulous prize, mind you, but it gets you back into the thick of this game with an opportunity to win it by solving it as we open these two doors. Select again.
How about number 25?
Entertainment Center.
Haven't seen that one yet. How about number 18?
Camping package. No, but a possibility for Antoinette.
Okay, let's see what's under number 23.
Diamond and amethyst earrings.
And the match to that is number 5.
She remembered those. They are her birthstone, after all. Another chance for the challenger. Keep going, Antoinette.
Okay, let's see what's under number 11.
Green take.
And the match to that is 14.
Green take, yes. Now, you can use the take to grab the dartboard set,
Take it!
or you can use the take as insurance.
I need insurance.
All right. She's saving it for use later on, or perhaps never to be used. We'll open the two panels. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 16.
Wild card. Nothing bad is going to happen on this roll, so
Okay, I need to see what's under number 20.
number 20 is an evening party dress collection
Okay.
for you. The other evening party dresses are above that in the same column at number 10. You want to use the take, grab the dartboard set now?
no,
You're not any closer
No,
to
thank
solving
you.
this? Well, let's see if
No.
this helps. Open the panels. Go again.
Okay, number 19.
Red take.
Okay, I need even more insurance. Number 3 for the match.
Refrigerator, freezer. No match. Terry.
Number 21
Refrigerator, freezer.
and 3.
Yes. That's a match. Dartboard set and a refrigerator, freezer. What a combination.
Great duel.
But, as we have mentioned many times in the past, ladies and gentlemen, it matters not what prizes you have. It matters if you can solve the puzzle. Can Terry do it? Select again.
Number 18 and
Camping
1.
package. Camping package, yes. Open these two doors for her. Terry, you now have a better than 50-50 chance. There is a red take, I believe, on the board, and there is a wild card also. So you could do yourself a world of good on this selection.
The problem is I know the puzzle and I'm afraid to take a chance. Rock around the clock.
She's saying, rock around the clock. Had a holiday on the Isle of St. Thomas. You had a wild card, and you wouldn't take a chance, and you had no strikes against you. All right. That's why you haven't lost any games. Conservative approach.
Oh, God. So you have rock, car, pound. He took me a while. Rock around the K plus lock. Rock around the clock.
Okay. Terry solved it correctly. She's the winner again. We'll go to the winner's circle. And Antoinette, sorry about that. You had the take sitting there. It didn't do you any good. One strike. We'll see you in the next game. So long. All right, Terry, let's hear about your prizes. Not too many, just a couple, but they're taking you to the winner's circle. Gene.
A dartboard set, a camping package, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a camping package or other top-name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a refrigerator freezer. Gibson's Frost Clear refrigerator freezer with features designed to make food storage easier and more convenient than ever before, furnished by Gibson.
And when we come back, Terry will have almost a minute to win a brand new car. Terry has a way of stretching things out. She's been doing that in the winner's circle, and as a result, although she's been up here many times, has not yet won a car. And she has no losses against her in the regular game, so she can appear in at least 2 more matches unless she wins the car. Well, let's see what happens now. Here are the 15 numbered squares, and we're up to 55 seconds, Terry. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 4,
No.
7, 10,
No.
13, 14,
No.
11, 4,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 5,
No.
14, 2,
No.
11, 3,
No.
6, 9,
No.
12, 15,
No.
1, 11,
Yep.
4, 9,
No.
7, 6,
No.
10.
Were you doing it on purpose or what?
I swear I'm not.
You just sort of lost it? This is the first time in the winner's circle that you have lost it, but that's okay. You've got $10,754 in prizes, and you're going on. We'll be back after this. Welcome back. In that bonus round, I mentioned that Terry has a way of stretching things out. I was referring to the bonus round, but it was pointed out to me during the commercial break that in that last game, right at the end, when she offered her solution, she stretched it out also because she was pondering things. And I said, what about it? And she says, well, my problem is I know what the puzzle is. And I didn't hear the buzz, the time's up buzzer that came in at that point. She didn't hear it. A lot of us didn't, I guess. But that penalized Antoinette, so we're going to take that strike away from her. And she's going into this game with no strikes, so she too will play for 2 more games, unless she happens to win a car. Just 1 wild card in this one, and this has one of the prizes.
Burn away those calories and start staring on this safe, low-impact climber with readouts of speed, steps, and elapsed time furnished by Sports Chalet. Alex.
Keep climbing, Marjorie. You'll make it to the top. Antoinette and Terry, here's where you find the fitness climbing machine, the lower right-hand corner at number 25. We have the bonus seconds in this game. We have $800 in the cash pot, and we have a New York Dude Ranch vacation, and Antoinette goes first. Just 1 wild card, remember.
Okay, let's start at the top with number 3.
5 bonus seconds.
I could use those. The match to that is number 5.
No, that's a red take. Terry.
Okay, let's try number 17.
Scooter and
That
skateboards.
sounds like fun. How about number 11?
No, bridge table and chairs. Antoinette.
Okay, number 7.
5 bonus seconds.
And the match to that is number 3.
You are right. Good way to start off this game. Let's open the panels for Antoinette. Select again.
Okay, number 14.
New York Dude Ranch vacation.
Okay, the match to that has to be number 12.
No, that's an electric range. Terry.
Let's see what's under number 1.
Electric range.
Number 12.
Electric range. The match for the champ. 2 more doors opening for the champ. Try it again.
How about number 23
Crystal goblets and decanter.
and number 21?
New York Dude Ranch. Antoinette.
Okay, New York Dude Ranch number 14.
Right.
And the match is number 21.
You are correct. You lost out on a holiday in St. Thomas in that first game, and I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bring up unpleasant thoughts, but this is a great vacation here. Let's see what happens as we open the doors. Try it again.
Okay, number 15.
Fitness climbing machine.
Okay, the match is number 25.
You are right. And another prize, another look. Keep going.
Okay, let's see what's under number 8.
Cash pot,
Okay, I could always use some money.
$800 worth.
Okay, the match is number 18.
No, it's not. Crystal goblets and decanters, what we have there. Terry.
Number 23 and number 18 for the match.
That's the match for the goblets and the decanter. Open it up. Indeed.
How about number 4?
Diamond necklace.
Oh, goodness. And number 19.
Diamond necklace. Now's the time to go ooh, folks. Can Terry solve it? Try it again.
Number 24.
Scooter and skateboards.
And number 17.
Scooter and skateboards. Swing them open.
Field of vision.
Field of vision, says Terry Melton. And she is right. And once again, triumphs in the game. Well, let's go to the board. Boy, you're good. Excellent.
There's the F plus eel plus dove, field of vis plus shin, field of vision.
Field of vision is right, and you remain champion still with no losses. And Antoinette, that's just your first strike, so you will play again. We'll see you in the next game on our next show. So long. Terry, why are you embarrassed?
I need to win this car.
You need to win the car. You're going to have a full minute when you get there. But right now, just stand here and enjoy hearing about these prizes. Gene.
A diamond necklace and crystal goblets and a decanter. The Michael C. Fina Company presents this elegant hand-cut Irish crystal decanter with 4 goblets, part of the fine gift collection furnished by the Michael C. Fina Company. And the scooter and skateboards, Veriflex's SXP Series skateboards for fun and competition. Colorful graphics on a sturdy board, plus the steel-framed Strata scooter furnished by Veriflex, and an electric range. The RCA self-cleaning range features a black glass top with Euro-style solid disc heating elements designed for easy cleaning. The large oven offers electronic cook and cleaning cycles furnished by RCA.
And as I mentioned, a minute on the clock when we return with Terry. Well, as you can see, Terry's excited. Everyone in the studio, everyone on our staff figures the time has come. Terry is going to win a brand new car. But before she even gets a chance to try for it, we have an important message for all of you out there who would like to be in her shoes right now. Marjorie.
Thanks, Alex. If you would like to try out for classic concentration and you live, ooh, I sound very nasal, and you live in the Los Angeles area or you're coming to Los Angeles, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234. That's area code 213-965-1234. We'd love for you to try out, so give us a call, won't you? Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Marjorie. That's really good. Obviously, those decongestants are not working. All right, Terry, you ready for this?
I don't know. We'll see.
Okay.
I hope so.
Yesterday was the first time you faltered. Up until then, you had performed very, very well. I'm expecting you to do well today. Here are the numbers, 15 squares. Here is the clock. 1 minute, 60 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 4.
Same pattern? No.
7, 10.
Nope.
13, 14.
Nope.
11, 8.
Nope.
5, 4.
No.
7, 2.
Yes.
10, 5.
Right.
3, 14.
No.
13, 6.
No.
11, 3.
Yes.
9, 8.
No.
14, 9.
Yep.
12, 4.
No.
6, 15.
No.
4, 13.
Yep.
1, 6,
No.
8, 15.
No. A lot of people would feel sorry for you, but I don't, because you have won $12,588. You have yet to lose a game. And I I'm working my memory as hard as I can right now. I think the most time we've had on the clock for any winner on concentration was 70 seconds. And that person finally wound up winning a car. So you could do that also.
Oh,
and you may wind up doing it with 70 seconds. We're going to take a break. Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Klondike frozen desserts, taste you can sink your teeth into, creamy ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, and calorie-conscious light bars, plus Klondike Bear furnished by Klondike. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Goodbye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.